I will teach you how to apply eyeshadow. Kasi, meron ako nakitang eyeshadow dito. Hindi to sa akin. Bakit? Okay. Ayan. This is the 35XO palette from Morphe. Also, this is my favorite pambahay. Wala lang. So, first, pag-usapan natin ang transition shade. Dalawang options nyo sa transition shade. As the name suggests, when you say transition, it means you're transitioning the color of your lids into the theme of your eyeshadow. So you can go either something really close to your skin color, or you can go, like if you're gonna do a monochromatic look, like a pink monochromatic look, you can go for a light pink. Mag-apply muna tayo ng base. Ang ginagamit ko is this concealer from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Alam nyo, I really like the formula of this concealer. Pero yung packaging niya parang lumalabas yung pigment, makalat lang siya, but this is a really good base for your eyeshadow. And since we're gonna do a little glam eyeshadow look today, I am gonna add a lighter concealer. I'm gonna use a lighter concealer para lang talagang mag-lift yung color. Assuming that you have an eyeshadow primer, that should be enough. But if you are using a concealer, you wanna set it with powder also. There, para lang hindi tayo patchy-patchy sa pag-apply ng eyeshadow. Okay, so ituloy na lang natin yung plano natin na mag-pink eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna take a flat brush. Make sure na when you're picking up the pigment, pahiga. Pag ganyan. There. And then, you're going to map this out first. So, yung mata natin, pag nakatingin tayo ng diretso, you can see the fold, diba? So, what you wanna do is you wanna put your mirror here sa chin area, and then chin up, and look down so that your eyes are stretched. Para hindi siya naka-fold. Para pag ina-apply nyo, naka-flat yung eyes ninyo, and then you just pat it on the area here. There. I just realized that that might be too light for a tutorial, so let's use a darker one. I'm gonna take a darker color, tap off the excess, and then pat it on. So, dito nyo siya ilalagay. Yan. Okay. As you can see, I did not exceed until here or here. Now, you're going to take a blending brush, and then you're gonna do circular motions outwards and inwards until that is blended out. Now, depending on your peg, like kunyari, if it's like a breakfast or a brunch, you don't want to go too heavy on your eye contours. You just want to do it lighter. Something like this. So, as you can see, eyeshadow is a form of contour. It deepens the fold of your crease so that it looks like your eyes are more open. And that's how amazing eyeshadows are, especially when you apply it on the right area. Kasi magmumukha talaga siyang, may effect talaga siya kahit isang shade pa lang siya. Now, we're going to take a darker shade. So, let's go for something na makikita nyo talaga. This one here. So, I'm gonna use the same brush that I used to pack on the pigment. And then, I'm just gonna apply it lower than the transition shade. So, dito siya. And again, I am not gonna exceed yung center. Diyan lang siya. Okay. Now, some makeup brushes, this is why it's important to purchase the right size of brushes. So, yung unang blending brush na ginamit ko is big. We're gonna switch to a smaller blending brush. It's the same shape, just a different size. And then, we're also gonna do circular motions inwards and outwards until that's blended out and until there are no more harsh lines. So, kailangan mag-merge siya with the transition shade, pero kailangan hindi siya mag-exceed dun sa area ng transition shade. Kaya dapat smaller lang siya. And then, you can also choose to intensify this depending on kung gano'n nyo kagusto ka-smoky yung look na gusto ninyo. And then, you can always go back to your first blending brush just to blend the edges. There. Okay? And then afterwards, you take your smallest dense brush. The smallest dense brush that you can find. This would usually be your pencil brush, and it looks like this. So for the pencil brush, this is where you take your darkest shade, and then you're just going to treat this as eyeliner, and you're just going to deposit the pigment near your lashes. Be careful because utal-utal ka pa ha. When using darker pigments, dun tayo usually nagkakamali. Diyan natin usually yan na-overdo. So, ganyan lang siya. And then, you can blend it out with your smaller blending brush. Yan. Here. So, that's one option for a smoky eye. Another option, gawin natin dito sa kabila. So, for people who want more drama here sa outer corner, dito naman kayo magde-deposit ng transition shade. Same height, except you're gonna start here at the edge. And then, you're going to blend it inwards with your buffing brush. This way. Oh my God, I love makeup so much. You also love makeup. I love makeup. Ay, hindi ko makita yung sarili ko na nagtatrabaho sa ibang industry. Maliban sa Disneyland. Huy! Sino naman kukuha sa'yo sa Disneyland? Okay, and then, once na blend out na yan, really, really blend it in. Yan. Para may konting transition shade sa loob. And then, you take the next shade, and then here naman. So, mas mababa ng konti. The darker shade na ito ha, besties. This is the darker shade already. And then blend it in again. So again, you switch to your smaller blending brush. And then, you take your darkest shade and your pencil brush. And then, dito nyo lang yan sa loob i-apply. Tapos, medyo critical. Critical? Dito nyo siya i-blend. Tapos yung pencil brush na rin yung ipang-blend nyo kasi nga critical tong area na to. Hindi nyo siya pwedeng masobrahan. Otherwise, mag-e-exceed siya dito. So this one naman is called a side smoky eye or a half smoky eye. Pag confident na kayong naikalat nyo siya, tsaka nyo lang siya daanan nung medium-sized na blending brush. There. Sobrang dali ng buhay. Tapos, halimbawa, sige, wag na kayong mag-eyeliner. Ayaw nyo mag-eyeliner. Ang dami nyong reklamo sa buhay. Sige, mag-lashes na lang tayo. This is one of the designs that I will be releasing because I am going to open my own beauty brand. This is one of the designs that I really like. Alam nyo ba guys, I tested out more than 300 designs of lashes over the past 2 years. But more so recently, syempre, kasi dun ko lang talaga naupuan lahat. Ito yung itsura niya. So, it's a one-band lash, but it's also in clusters. It's slightly longer at the center. And yes, you're okay to use it without applying eyeliner. Now, let's attach the lashes. So, you wanna attach it first at the center. Sa gitna muna kayo mag-attach, tsaka nyo siya i-adjust sa sides. So, this is how it looks like. No tight line, no lash line. The glue isn't completely dry yet. Ayan siya. Magaan siya. Matibay siya. You can use it up to 15 times. The pair, you can use up to 15 times. It's not flimsy. It's made with a cotton band. Ayan. Gamit ko na tong mga to, guys. Ilang beses ko nang ginamit. Tapos, Korean PBT, yung kanyang hairs. So, it really looks natural and it's not heavy at all. It's so light. Anyway, sana may natutunan kayo. Bye!